Unong yalam kaliang persya, bat Menteri rang ba barem ke jela, Dr. Mukul sangma. Hakasin kong jengkota yo, ula Kynnoh ia ke Sorkar pedeng, bat ia ke Sorkar jela, halor ke Jingtih, ke Jingtih Be-Ain, bat Khaii Be-Ain, ia Dewiong hapok ke jela. Habada waru, badai bandan no mador, da ke Jingtok kit, jong ke Kynnoh ke balat lut, bansai madan ia ke Jing sisa baro. Kani ke Jing Kynnoh uni unong yalam jong ke All India Trinamool Congress, kalami hadin ke jingwan jurip ye ki jaka penlang Dewiong ki badan hakathan nanggal Bibra Southwest Garo Hills. Hakaba ula syamru babun Dewiong ubala lumthop hakini ki jaka penlang Dewiong udai Dewiong ubadang suti thamai om ubadan nadu usnam arajar khatsau ba sedang terekam ke hukum jongka National Green Tribunal. Yauni unong yalam jongka liang persya la senran lang daki MDC jongka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Habai keren bikila patai kubor Dr. Mukul la Kynnoh ba ke Sorkar India, ba ke Sorkar Meghalaya ki di ben syem mi jingkit kli halor kani ke Be-Ain. Haba penpau ba Dewiong udai ubakmi da ke Sorkar India namar ya ke Khaii Dewiong lale om tang ha ke jela Meghalaya hendrei wat sabar ke jela ni wat sabar ri kunju. Uni unong yalam san perthai ula banjur ye ke jingdawa badai ban pha to ket no haka Kynnoh ke balai lut halor ka kam Khaii Dewiong ha Meghalaya.
Whole visit has given us an idea as to what exactly is happening on the ground here, which you are yourself a witness to. The coal which are stacked here and which are being transported, there are indications that both dumping, loading and transportation has been taking place. And this is what the representation also indicated. And this is, again, even after our repeated attempt to prevail upon the government to make an endeavor, a serious endeavor to stop all these illegalities. Number one, what is happening here is indicative of that illegal coal mining is continuing. And at a very, very large scale. Another thing is that the coal which are being illegally mined in spite of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, you will see that the illegal loading and transportation of the coal also is taking place. Now we'll have to verify where these coal are going. This problem has to be taken cognizance of by both Government of India and the state government. There's a responsibility vested upon people who are in authority. And therefore, I'll be taking it up with the government. And after having seen what has happened in the last preceding 2 years, where I have reasons to believe, and we all have reasons to believe beyond any reasonable doubt, that the state government is in no mood to stop these illegalities. Therefore, there has to be an attempt to seek the intervention of judiciary. And this is precisely what we'll be doing.